Hello, good evening everyone. I am Jefferson G. Torres. Section is 3G. Today we will be sharing about body mass index of BMI and strength management techniques. Part 1. What is BMI? BMI or body mass index is simple tools that compares a person with to their height. It helps us know if we are underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. Example: competition. For example, let's say a person has a weight of 60 kg and a height of 1.65 meters using the formula BMI. Equal weight divided by height is equal, so 60 divided 1.65 equal 22.05. Interpretation based on the BMI chart, 22.5 fall under the normal weight category. Important. Maintaining a healthy BMI is important because it reduces the risk of diseases like diabetes and heart problems. It's also improve self-confidence and it support mental health. Part 2. Stress management. Here's the scenario. Let's talk about stress. Imagine a student who feel pressure because of an incoming exam. Signs of stress. Physically, the student experience headaches and fast heartbeat and fatigue. Emotionally, they may feel worried, irritable, and focused. 3 healthy techniques. There are healthy ways to manage stress, such as number 1, breathing exercise to relax the body and calm the mind. Number 2, time blocking to stress management. Here's the scenario. Let's talk about stress. Imagine a student who feel pressure because of his coming exam. Sign of stress. Physical, the student may experience headaches and fast heartbeat and fatigue. Emotionally, they may feel worried, irritable, exhausted. Number 3, healthy techniques. There are healthy ways to manage stress, such as number 1, breathing exercise to relax the body and calm the mind. Number 2, time blocking to organize study schedule and avoid cramming. 3, sleep hygiene, getting enough rest or recharge the brain. Positive versus negative. Positive coping strategies like exercise or relaxation help reduce stress, while negative strategies like drinking, smoking, or avoiding problems only make it worse. Coping mechanics. Some coping mechanics are exercising, journaling, meditation, and talking to the friends. On the other hand, negative ones include procrastination, substance use, overeating. Part 3. Role play, short skit. Just imagine this skin. A student is nervous before the exam. Instead of panicking, they stop for a moment, close their eyes, exhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then slowly exhale. After repeating this a few times, they feel calmer and more ready to answer the exam. In conclusion, knowing our BMI help us maintain a healthy lifestyle and managing things through positive strategies allows and to stay mentally and physically strong. Thank you.